Hey, I'm Tina.
And I'm Tom.
And today we're going to teach you about upcycling.
But Tina, what's upcycling and why should we do it?
That's a good question, Tom. Upcycling is making something new out of something you might otherwise throw out.
Oh, so it reduces waste and you can make something cool out of it.
Yeah, that's right. So for example, you can make out of.
Wow, that's so cool. So you can also make this out of this. But what could we do at home? Oh, maybe I can use this.
Hey Tom, what are you doing?
Oh, hi Tina. I found this in the kitchen. I cleaned it and now look what I made.
Wow, cool.
Stop, Tina. What are you doing?
Throwing the end in the bin.
No, you shouldn't do that.
Why?
Do you know that food waste is one of the biggest sources of waste?
Really?
Yes. Over 1/3 of all the produced food goes to waste globally.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and with the food wasted, with the food waste in Europe, you can feed about 200 million people.
Maybe I can do something else. Hey, we found a way to regrow the end of this leek.
Yes, and we can use the jar I found in the kitchen.
You take the leek, place it in the jar, just add a little water, and in 1 or 2 days you'll already see some growth. We're gonna leave it in some light, and in 2 weeks it'll be a whole leek again, and then we can replant it in the soil.
You can also use this method to regrow all other kinds of vegetables, like basil, spring onion, lettuce or ginger.
So today we learned about upcycling and regrowing vegetables.
We hope you guys enjoyed it. See
Bye
ya.
for now.
Bye.